Good morning, good morning, good morning for you, not for me, because I'm getting ready for bed. Hey! However, the vlog is indubitably rendering. Look at that, it's rendering. But I'm going to turn the brightness down on this as low as it goes so that it's not bright while I'm trying to sleep. Then I'm going to set it over here, out of the way. Yes, yes. Now that it is over here, out of my way, I'm going to go get ready for bed. I am tired. I need to go to sleep. Goodness. Yes, I am tired. I need to go to bed. I need to wake up. My 10-hour break today has to be basically exactly 10 hours. Nothing over. Obviously, nothing less, because well, it's a 10-hour break, so it has to be at least 10 hours, not a second shorter. Not a single second shorter. No. That is not acceptable, according to the DOT. Yeah, DOT. They will be upsetty spaghetti by 1 second. Regardless, not a second early. But I also need to do it pretty much exactly 10 hours before I gotta go over and pick up this load. So that is good. I don't mind that. I've done that a billion times. There's nothing crazy, nothing special. What in the world is this? Ah, it's my lotion. I forgot that I dropped that on my bed this morning. I thought it was a big old chunk of earwax. But no, it's just a little droplet of lotion that fell off of my arm, or fell out of my hand this morning when I was getting ready to put my lotion on. Anyways, I need to go to bed. And I need to set my alarm for pretty much 8 hours from now to get up, to go over yonder, to check in, to pick up the load, to take it to where I need to go. Blah, 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 blah. So, it is EP time. I don't have a headband. I already took it out. Look at me, ahead of the game. However, my hair tie can please get out of my hair. What is with you not wanting to let go at all? Like, come on. Why are you so connected? It's not that serious. Chill. But yeah, it is sleepy hours. So let's go ahead and do that and set my alarm for 8 hours from now. Oof. And I will see you shortly after 8 hours. I'm probably going to get up. Well, I'm going to get up. I'm probably going to get a little bit ready before I pick up my phone and say anything to y'all. So, I will see you all in just over 8 hours. Yes. Oh, my bed is so comfy. This is one of the things that I love so much about the truck that's like not in the house at all, is like how cold I can make the truck. The truck is so much more comfortable when it comes to AC than the house. yeah, I get cold in the house when I'm out of my bed, but like while I'm sleeping in bed, like not really cold. However, here in the truck, I could just leave the truck on and the rumbling of the engine helps me fall asleep. And on top of that, the AC can blast as high and as strong as I want to and just make the truck so cold. And it's just, I love it. I love it so much. It's so comfortable. It is so comfortable. Now, I do really like my canopy. I actually really love my canopy, as well as all of my stuffed animals that are up on the canopy. It just like fits the vibe better. But as far as just going to bed and not feeling a vibe, the truck with the AC, I said hearing the truck. Did I say feeling the truck or hearing the truck? Regardless, feeling and hearing the truck rumble is just, it's like ASMR. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking about how comfortable I find the truck. And go to bed now. So I will see you in the AM, which will be after 3 p.m. So, bye now. Night night. Bye bye now. Alright. Let's get up and get dressed and go on over to this facility. And then get ready once I get to the trailer, because I don't exactly have time to get ready right now, so we're gonna go ahead and go over there. Yep. But let's get dressed first. Alright, we got the paperwork, we went to the bathroom. We're gonna go down and connect to the trailer and then do all of our morning stuff, and then we're going to make our way to the next location, which apparently is in Newcastle. Yay! So let's go ahead and do all that. Alright, we are here at the first stop of quite a few today, and we are going to go inside and obviously unload. So let's go ahead and march on over there and see what the pickle and a half is. Second stop, and oh my god, I have to pee so badly, so goddamn badly. Yes, I got to pee. Block that light out. Oh my god. But we are going to go inside and have them unload 10 skids, it says. And while they're doing that, I'm gonna pee. And then onwards to the next one. So let's go. Let's hurry up. Trying to hurry up because the Bohemian is picking me up, but he needs to go to bed as quickly as possible because he's got a lot to do tomorrow. So we're trying not to keep him up until 3 a.m. So, well, that looks good. Achievement unlocked. Urinate. We are done. Walking back to the truck. We are done. My eye is itchy. We are done. Oh, goodness. Now, we gotta go to the next store. Alright, we are finished with the third stop, so now we are going to go ahead and make our way onto the fourth stop. stop and finish unloading this trailer. Yep. So let's go ahead and get there and hurry up and get done. Yep. Alright, we are at our final stop for this evening. At least this evening, not the final stop on this particular trip, but for this evening. We are going to go inside and take the rest of the skids off of this trailer and go home. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll pick up the rest of the route later on this week in, I don't know, 36 hours, something like that. We'll see. But gotta go inside. I hope that it doesn't take forever to unload like 5 skids. So let's do it. And of course, since I'm being a little bit impatient, it's taking a fat minute. Don't you love that? When I'm not being impatient, I don't have to wait. But when I am being impatient, I have to wait. Goodness. Well, hopefully they'll be back here, I don't know, like 2 minutes. Hopefully I don't have to call them back again. Let's hope for that, yeah. Yep. What is going on right here? Alright, we are done here. We are done here. Yeah, we're done here. Yeah, we're done here. All done. Diddy done. Oh, and you can't see it, can you? There you go. It's actually cold enough to see my breath. Yay! It's cold. It's getting cold. It's getting colder. Oh, goodness. I can't wait until it starts snowing. You're loud. Alright. We are here where we are going to park to go home. So, we're going to do post-trip stuff, and then after post-trip stuff, we are going to pack my things, and then after packing me things, yeah. Oh, goodness. But, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Yeah. Alright. Away we shall go to the domicile. Let's go. Making skyline for dinner. La, yummy. I finished the food. The food was actually really good and very filling. I feel full. I say as I want dessert. Hey, but dessert doesn't go in the main stomach. It goes in the other one, you know. I am full of the main course. However, there is not dessert here that I desire. So, I am going to call it there for food, at least right now. And I'm gonna go make my bed and then lay down. I'm not gonna go to bed yet. I don't feel like going to bed yet. But I am certain I'm just going to go ahead and lay down. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down. I feel like watching anime. What anime? So, I've been wanting to watch, like for the last week or two now, I've been wanting to watch like a slice of life romance anime. I've been feeling it, but I didn't know what. However, I just got a suggestion for Shikamori's Not Just a Cutie on YouTube. Apparently them kissing. So, that's a thing. And I was gonna watch it, and then I was like, wait a minute. I'm not gonna watch it. I'm going to sit down and watch up to that point and that point. I'm not just gonna watch the clip on YouTube and be like, wow, that was cool. Nah. I found what I feel like watching. So, yay. I'm happy. I am now going to take this sheet and take it off of the camera and put it on my Betty Bye. Yes, put it on my Betty Bye. Put it on my Betty Bye. So let's do that. Alright. I got it all figured out. Yay. Now, of course, I put the bed sheet on the wrong way the first time. Because obviously, can't be put on the right way the first time. No, not at all. However, we did get it the second time. Wait, there we go. Boop. 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 Cellular device. Take my socks off because they're filled with dog hair. Now, under the blankie with Sylveon's head facing this way, preferably. Yes, there we go. And now to watch the anime. Yes. Let's go ahead and watch this. Isn't it called? Alright, let's go to Crunchyroll, or is Crunchyroll gone and it's Funimation? Can you open the app? Thank you. Alright. Now, if we go to my list and we scroll down and look for something that starts with an S. It says continue episode 12. I don't remember watching this. I guess I should look at my anime list and see where it says I'm at on the list. Because I got it for a reason. It says that Crunchyroll said I've watched it already. Can I hold my phone in some sort of normal, usable orientation? Yes. KIMORI with the apostrophe thing or whatever it's called. Not, that's a Y. Just a QT. There's an IE there. 12 episodes. This says it is 12 episodes. Huh. It says that it's completed. That's annoying. Well, that's unfortunate. Now what will I do? Now what do I do? I want to find something, so I'm gonna find something. You know, I've had multiple friends tell me that I need to watch whatever this is called. So let me see if I spell it right. ORIN IAN. Alright, let's just type in high school host club. OLH. Oh, I can finish Horiyama. There we go. Oh, you? It's a you? Anyways, I know that I haven't watched this, and I've had multiple people be like, my god, you have to watch it. So, why not? 26 episodes? That's it? Huh. Well, let's go ahead and watch it. The Wheel of Death. Anger. Rage. Oh, yay. Isn't that so much better? Why? 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 But why? No. I gotta fix it. I should probably turn the monitors on my TV off. Monitors on my TV? My computer monitors. I should probably turn them off because I am getting pretty tired. I think I should go to bed, but where did I put my... Oh, there it is. I'm gonna put my water right here to take my medicine, and I'm gonna take my watch off because I'm gonna go to the bathroom first. Yes, so let's do that. Well, this show is, I'm enjoying it, but it's wild. Like, what the fuck? It's so weird. But I'm enjoying that it's weird, so I think I got to episode 13. Yeah. I am very AP. Oh, goodness. I decided to scroll through all of my comments since they're all in one little convenient place, and I absolutely love the fact that I didn't get notifications for so many comments. Like, I thought that was the whole purpose, is that, you know, YouTube notified me when somebody commented on the video. So, why didn't I get notified? What is interesting though is that it seemed like it didn't notify me about a lot of the mean comments. So there's been quite a few floating around that I had no idea because I didn't get a notification for them and they just didn't pop up. So I'm like, wait, what? But like, all of the other comments that were all nice and just genuine questions, I already saw all of those and interacted with all of those, so I wonder why YouTube's not notifying me about the mean comments. Interesting. Regardless, they're gone now. I guess I'm going to have to go ahead and take a gander more frequently, since clearly, ow, that didn't feel good. Since clearly YouTube is not notifying me about all of it, so, but I'm really tired, so I'm going to go ahead and go to bed because I am an EP princess. Yes, EP princess. I have all of my stuffed animals. I can't reach around you if you get stuck on my arm. Boop. Boop. Come on. One more. God. Oops. I didn't do that. I didn't do that on purpose. That was an accident, but I like it. I'm here for it. All of my cuddly stuffed animals. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. But I can... I'm gonna go to sleep now. So... night, and ooh, don't fall. There you go. Right there should be good. Yeah, that should be good. So, nighty night, and I will talk to you when I wake up. I'm not setting an alarm, so I'm just gonna wake up whenever I wake up. Yup. Alright. Another day, another adventure. It is 7 p.m. and obviously that means that it is after 8 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and end today's vlog and thank you all for coming. I hope that you guys enjoyed yourselves. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Anyways, if you enjoyed yourselves, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you keep coming back anyways, and hit the bell so that you can stay notified whenever I upload another video. While you're down there, you can scroll down just a little bit farther and take a gander at the description and the cutest puppy ever. Yas. While you're down there, you can look at the links that I have for my Twitch, Discord, my other YouTube channels, as well as all of my socials if you are interested in any of that. And of course, I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. for the next daily vlog. And as always, phone hugs and bye-bye.